Hello guys and welcome to Amazing Card Tricks, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to do a false cut. Generally there are different types of false cuts, and the type of false cut that I'll be teaching you today is known as the triple swing false cut. I'll repeat it again, the triple swing false cut. First I'll show you how it looks like, and then in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do that. I'm having 52 cards. And that's it guys. This is how it looks like. And then you might think that what's the difference between a general cut and a false cut? Both looks like the same. But that's a no. Because for example, the three of hearts, let's take the three of hearts as our setup. And when you do a normal cut like that, it gets collapsed. But you don't want that to happen. So at that times, you will do a false cut. So let's take the five of diamonds as our setup. When we do a false cut, and see the top card, the five of diamonds remains the same. Not only the first card, the whole deck remains the same. No changes will happen to the whole deck. So I'll teach you how to do that. First, take your thumb finger and keep it in the back of the cards. And keep your other three fingers on the top. It's your wish, but I don't use the pinky finger. Okay. First step is that you should remove 1/4 of the deck like that with your index finger. Do it again, approximately. Okay, 1/4 again, like that. Then you should, with your index finger, you should just move it to your left like that, and then catch it in your left hand. Okay, let's repeat it. First, remove it. Then when you just move it, make sure that you remove your middle finger like that, so that you have gap. So move it to your left hand side and then catch it and then keep it under it. While you keep it under it, first keep the top part of this remaining deck, and before you keep the bottom part, make sure that you're having a thumb break like that. Okay, now you should again move a half of the deck. Again, move it with your index finger and catch it in your left hand, and again keep it in the bottom. But this time you should not keep a thumb break here, but you should just maintain the thumb break at the first. So, and the last step is that you should just take the remaining cards and then again move it to your left hand side, and then that's it. So I'll just repeat it once. So first take 1/4 of the deck, then with your index finger move it to your left, catch it again, but keep a thumb break, and then again remove half the cards, then move to your left hand side and then keep it. Finally take all the cards, move to your left hand side and then keep it. So when you do it fast, it will look like this. That's it guys. Okay guys, hope you all enjoyed and learned how to do a triple swing false cut. Okay, until my next video, bye, stay home, stay safe, and learn magic with me, Amazing Card Tricks.